Sorry, mate. Whoop. Beautiful, that was easy. Yeah.
Give it another 20 minutes of this and then we'll go do it again.
I ended up having to pass one of the guys because I didn't want to lose my momentum. It was right when we were coming up. Oh, it was coming up to the corner that I met him, and I thought, no, I'll just overtake him. Well,
yeah, I should have done that to you.
Sorry, mate. I didn't want to lose my momentum, and I thought I'll probably buggered you up now. Cool. Yeah, that's a different thing altogether in the wet, that track. And he made it. It's his.
I'll be alright if you did a few runs of it. If you don't know what it's doing, but once you do it a couple of times, you know where to.
It's a different animal in the wet.
Yeah, totally different.
Roots go slippery.
Yeah, everything does. You just slip off the track, and it's like, now what do I do? Yeah. Cool, mate. Well done.
It's pretty
bit hairy.
pretty gnarly,
Yeah.
Come on, arm. Arm, mate. Calm pump.
All right. You're doing well, eh? Doing shit, right? How's the old girl going?
She's going alright.
Bloody ripper.
I think I've adjusted the...
Yeah, they're a high-rise bar, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Do you notice? Like,
Yeah, right.
is it easier or harder?
Easier.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Because of your height and that.
Yep.
Yeah, cool.
Yep.
Well, they might be a little while. I'm going to take me
Yeah.
lid off.
Breather.
Yeah.
Not the easiest through there.
No, it's not. And it might be.
Might be a while.
Oh yeah, we're going to ride down here, and it's like 4 or 5 k's along the track.
We're going to wait for them. We're back in a minute.
Yeah, no worries.
Track that we found.
Oh yeah, cool. Is that halfway?
It's down here. You go down the side of the road and it goes into the creek.
Oh really?
But we couldn't get up last time. It was wet, and you're start in the creek with your front wheel on the hill.
Yeah.
There's no run up. And
Is that when you go down here right at that bend, and if you just keep going? Yeah, right. Well, we went down to the where the road ends sorta, and thought, no, this isn't a track, and turned around and came back.
Someone's got pink tape going up there, but
Oh, have they?
It's been up there, yeah.
Shit, it might be the guy. Oh,